All right, guys, today we're doing a piano cover version of Wicked Games, Chris Isaak, way back in the day, more recently done by Daisy Gray. There are three chords, F minor, E flat, and B flat, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to have melody in the right hand as we do this piano solo arrangement. The chorus. So that's what we're doing here, and webpianoteacher.com is my website. As a member, you can download this sheet. I got it zoomed in here, but you can download it and look at the whole thing on the website. And the 4 or 5 lessons that I use to teach how to play what I just played right there. And it's for all skill levels. I have a bare bones way to do it. It's going to be easier, and then I'll show you guys who are more advanced how to fill out the chords a little bit, add some more notes in the right hand, make it exciting. Okay, but let's look at the first 3 chords. We have F, A flat, C, left hand F and C. 1, 2. It's too loud though, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the 2 counts there, 2 counts there. E flat chord, E flat, B flat, E flat, G on the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now this one's a B flat chord, B flat, F, B flat on the left, D on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And guys, you have to count, or you'll rush. You'll either rush or you will not really know where to play the next chord, and there'll be no timing to it. So you got to go in your head. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And you're going to see later after we do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, that there are 4 big beats in each measure, but there's 3 little ones inside each one of these 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. Dun, 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 dun. It's called 12/8 time. There are 12 little beats total in the measure, and the 8th note gets the count. But even if you don't understand the mathematics there, and you don't have to, just feel that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so again, this is on the website, webpianoteacher.com. You can make it as easy or as complicated as you want, an arrangement. But I really love this one because I really show you guys how to put that melody, to embellish it, how to take the left hand and make it, fill it out so it sounds like a real neat piano accompaniment. Or not accompaniment, but, solo version. So there you guys go. You can kind of look here, F, G, A flat, C, B flat, G, G, A flat, G, F. Okay, you just take your chords, F minor, E flat, B flat. All right, so this was really fun to do. It's on webpianoteacher.com right now, and I hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later.